What's up guys, I have got some amazing news for you. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting here in an EQA. Well, I've had a good day today actually. I've had the EQA for the day. I'm doing a full review of it, filmed some really good footage. So coming soon on the channel is going to be a full review of the AQA. My first time ever driving an electric car. It was pretty bizarre, not going to lie. But the news. There is some amazing news and I am so excited, and I think you guys are going to be excited too. So while I was picking up this car, I checked in with Mercedes to see how the CLA45s is coming along. That's the car that we've been waiting for months now, and it's been built, and listen to this, it's going to arrive at the dealership, apparently, on Tuesday next week, which means we could be picking up the CLA45s next week. Oh, I just cannot wait. I'm so excited. So this basically means CLA45s next week. I'm probably going to do a live stream of the pickup. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and pop those notifications on because you do not want to miss this. I'll live stream the pickup. I'm going to film an epic video of the pickup. Oh, it's going to be so good. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like this video, all the good jazz. I am so pleased. I've got another video coming out today as well. I've got all the drive modes in the C43 tested, and tomorrow I'm filming an epic detailing video with the C43. So content is just flying, and the CLA45s, most importantly, is arriving next week. Thank you so much guys. Can't wait to pick it up. Can't wait to share it with you. See you soon.